Hi, today in this video I will be guiding you how to change the air filter for engine or Lexus ct200h. It's pretty much easy and straightforward. You just have to open up these two clips and then remove this pipe from here, open it up, and it will come out just like that very easily. You can see it's I've been using it for 6 months, so it became really dirty. I tried to clean it 2-3 times with the vacuum air pressure cleaner, which did clean it many times, but now I think its age is over, so I am replacing it with a new one. It's genuine Lexus. You can see the new one is absolutely, oh my goodness, it's completely like clean. So let us install it. There is a marking on it which shows that we have to keep which part on the upper side. So seeing this, we'll put it inside. So now you can see that it is installed. Insert these two end points again and put it nicely. Close the clips. Put this pipe back in position. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel.